Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you the SmartyPants Organics with Probiotics that I am giving my little ones. Now, I was really excited because SmartyPants came out with this organic brand, and we try to do as much organic, natural vitamins, fruits, vegetables, foods that we can. So this one is really great because, like I said, it has probiotics, it has his omega-3s, D3 for bones, B12 for energy, just all the things that he needs. And the great part is that he really likes them a lot. So there's 2 or 3 different colors in there, and according to him, he says they taste like raspberry, apple, and orange. Let's see. Very tasty. I'd say, yep, that one definitely tastes like raspberry. They're really delicious. He actually goes and takes them without me even asking. I definitely would recommend these for your little ones. If they are picky, I think that they will like this because it is sweet and it has a nice fruity flavor, and you'll know that they're getting the vitamins that they need. And that's my point of view.